Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is April 2nd, 2020. So what I want to talk about today, there's a lot of confusion on people. They're trying to get payment relief on their mortgages. And one of the things coming up that they're saying is, a lot of the mortgage companies are offering what they call forbearance. And I wanted to explain to you what a forbearance is. It's not as great as you think it is, so don't be suckered into what they're trying to get you into. Because in 2010, a lot of people thought they were getting into this plan, and then they got into modifications and a whole bunch of other things. So what I want to do is explain to you how we can refinance you and how this makes sense 100 times over the forbearance. So basically what a forbearance is you're just delaying your payments for a couple months. So let's say right now it is April. And your payment's due by the 15th. Just so you know, just because you don't pay on the 1st, you don't have to. You have up to the 15th. You actually have till the 30th to pay. But what they're doing is they're saying, okay, because of this, we're going to allow you to postpone or give you the forbearance of all the way out for 3 more months. So you don't have to pay us April, May, and June. So what's going to happen is, let's say you have a $1,500 payment. You owe $1,500 for April, May, June. So now what happens, July, you have to start making payments. But here's what's happening. You don't have to make your $1,500 July payment. You have to make a $6,000 payment. Are you going to be in the position to make that? Probably not, because if you're not working right now and you're struggling to pay this, what's happening is, kicking the can down the street isn't going to help you. By that time, you're probably going to be back to work, but they're not going to pay you retro payback all the way to the beginning, so you're stuck. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. And right now, the good thing is mortgage rates are fantastic. So let's say, for example, right now you can get a 30-year fixed rate, and I'm going to say at 3.5%. Okay? Right now I can almost assure you that your rate is higher than 3.5%. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we're not putting you in a worse position because of your rate. So 90% of you or 95% of you are going to fit that program. Okay, so it makes sense to refinance. So let me show you how this works. The other thing I'd like you to do is contemplate maybe pulling out some extra cash just for a safety net. Because when are you going to get back to work? Next month? 2 months from now? 3 months from now? You don't know. The worst thing people are doing right now is they're starting to use their credit card, and most of these credit card rates are about 20%. So yes, it'll give you little bit of help right now, but the problem is you're going to accumulate $5,000 to $10,000 in debt on this, and it's going to be really tough to pay off because you're going to be behind on your mortgage and everything else. So let's look at this. Let's look at refinancing you and doing a few things. One, we'll structure it that you will skip 2 payments. Okay? And I'm going to show you how we do this. So for example, we start your application right now. All right. So let's say we close you, and it might be too late in the month to do this right now for April, but let's try your best to make your April payment. So what's going to happen is we'll close you in May, and we'll close you, let's say, May 5th. All right. So here's what I'm getting at, how you're going to miss 2 payments. May 5th, we will pay off your mortgage. So you do not make a May payment. With our new loans, we have to give you at least a 30-day grace period before you can make a payment. Okay, so that puts you into June 5th. Okay, but the great news is we don't collect payments other than on the 1st of each month. So because we have to give you by law at least 30 days grace period, we then kick out your first payment due will not be due till July 1st. So I hope you get that. Again, we close you in May. You will not have to make your May payment because we'll pay off your mortgage. You don't have to make a payment in June because we only collect payments on the 1st. So because the 30-day grace period puts you out to the 5th, we have to go to the 1st of the following month, which puts you at July 1st. So basically, you didn't make your May payment, you didn't make your June payment. That's how you're skipping 2 payments. So that's the best way I can explain this to you. So I'd love to help you. If you're in the process of a mortgage right now, please reach out to us. I bet you we can beat the rate that you're getting and also probably the closing costs. I can almost assure you we're going to beat you in the closing costs. And if you have a mortgage right now, all you need to do is email me your mortgage statement. Email me at dfrio, which is F-R-I-O, at preferredrate.com. Send me your loan, your most recent mortgage statement. And also in the email, give me an idea what your credit score is. We'll get back with you within hours and let you know exactly what we can or can't do. So if you have a loan estimate, if you're going through a mortgage right now and you're working with another company, by law they had to issue you what's called a loan estimate. They'll send that to you. Please forward it on to me. I'll at least give you a second opinion and say, okay, that's a phenomenal program you're getting. God bless you, take it. But if in most cases, we probably out of 8 out of 10 loan estimates we get, we're beating the rate or the closing costs, or all 3, or all 2, I mean. So hopefully you reach out to us. Give us a call at 844-775-LOAN. That's 844-775-5626. Or shoot me an email at dfrio, which is F-R-I-O, at preferredrate.com. God bless. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy.